Let's make this ruffle circle skirt. Get your circle, fold into two like this, making sure that one part is longer than the other, and cut out a circle in the middle. Slash it open as seen and start picking a plate as shown. Okay, make sure that your circle, the one you are using for the main, because we are going to have a main circle which will be the one that will carry your waist circumference. That one is aside. It is different from this one that you're using to form the split. This one you can use any measurement. It depends on how long you want the ruffle to be on the circle. Hope you understand, and pick the plate as shown and as you can see. Have it in about 4 places as same. This is the main circle now, the one that will carry your waist circumference and the length of the skirt, and arrange your ruffle on it this way.